Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm coming back here with a new recipe. It's gonna be an Italian lemon ricotta cake and I am in love with the result. It's not like the usual cake that usually is fluffy and crumbly, but it's very creamy and it melts right in your mouth. I am in love with the result, so let's get started. As a first step, I cover a 7-inch pan with parchment paper. To get the same result, make sure you use the same size pan as mine. I use a little bit of butter so that the parchment paper sticks well to the pan. Alright, now let's make the dough. I use 3 eggs and I divide the egg whites from the yolks. For now I set the egg whites aside and I whisk up the yolks with the sugar until they start to become of a lighter yellowish color. Then I add the ricotta. I grate in the zest of a whole lemon, best if it's organic since we're using the peel, and then 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Give it a good mix, and now I add in the cornstarch with a strainer to avoid clumps, and also some softened butter. Don't overmix the dough, just give it a few more whisks until the cornstarch is incorporated, and that's it. Perfect! Now you'll want to clean and dry the whisks very well, then pop them back in and whip up the egg whites for a few minutes until they're very firm. And let me tell you a little trick to see when the egg whites are ready. So basically you flip the bowl upside down and if the egg white stays put, then it means they're ready. At this point, gradually and gently combine the egg whites with the other ingredients, with movements just like this. Voila, the dough is ready. I pour it in the pan and I bake it in a preheated oven at 350 Fahrenheit for about 50 minutes. Once it's ready, I let it cool down and I sprinkle on top some icing sugar. Ready to be served. It's a mix between a cake and a cheesecake because it's not spongy, but it's rich and creamy. It's also great to eat cold. You can store it in the fridge for a couple of days. Enjoy! I am in love with this consistency and the taste is just amazing. So I really hope you're gonna try it out and let me know what you think in the comments below. Leave a thumbs up because of course that helps too. And if you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing to my channel for new weekly recipes. Bye guys, see you next time.